Y'all ready?
Everything I said I do, I did. I'm good. I'm good. Everything
Dedication.
I said I did.
What's up, guys? You got Browns here at the camera today for the Tug Nights at Vic. We got the FRS right here, and then we got the 350 going off-road today. Today we're gonna do an oil change because this car needs it, and for the long road trip tomorrow, to go pick up MR2 parts. I know you guys have been waiting for the MR2 parts to come, and they're finally coming here. We got Jordy over here.
Alright guys, so I usually lift my tire to do an oil change, but I popped it up my curb, I mean it works.
Good
So
red
we're
shit.
gonna do a quick little 10-minute
Do a quick oil change.
oil change, no biggie.
This is just to prep for tomorrow, because tomorrow he's gonna go pick up MR2 parts, which hopefully will bring it one step closer to getting it street legal and one step closer to taking it out on PMAR, Borrego, and wherever we go in the future. Here's that Lexus engine, the V6.
Alright guys, so my longboard's really helpful for this. Alright guys, so where's my little thing? Oh shit.
All right, Jordy. So what are you doing?
Alright guys, so we're just gonna untighten the.
So right now he's using a 14 mil to loosen up the plug, the bolt.
Last time I didn't tighten it much because I knew this would happen, and what happened? Here I am struggling to get. All right, guys. So shout out for Brian for actually helping me do my oil change today.
He needs a compa.
The El Hombre's gonna help me out today.
If I can fit under the car.
So I guess he's not gonna help me out today, guys.
Oh, shit, it'll fit.
And again, guys, Brian is struggling, but hey, whoa, watch out with my bumper, bro. I'm just kidding, bro. But yeah, guys, last time I went to PMAR, I got a flat tire, guys. It was like 3-something in the morning, and I got a flat tire. So I had to pick up on some new tires, and I'm really liking these tires. I used to be at 265, but I just hopped onto 275 30 18s. But yeah, guys, I might go wider. This is the stock setup, stock rims. I might go 285. That's my goal, 285. Next time I get tires, 285, and then up front, hopefully I can fit 245 30. Right now I'm at 225, so the difference is pretty big. But the car's not bad. But I mean, I do have a lot of space, so I'm pretty sure I can go 245, hopefully. That's the plan for this car. You got it?
No.
Alright, let me try it, Brian. So, yeah, guys, that's what's coming for the Lexus IS 350. So Brian couldn't do it.
I don't fit under the car.
And yeah.
There she goes.
Alright guys, so we just finished draining the oil out. We're just gonna put the bolt back, and then we should be good to put the new oil. Alright guys, so we're all done. We're just gonna pour the oil in. You know, it was 5-10 minutes, simple work, easy. And I actually did an oil change because tomorrow I'm going to El Monte. Pick up the headlight for the MR2. Alright guys, so we're just about done. We're just gonna pour the oil in, but it was simple work, easy. Simple work.
So
but
530.
yeah, 530 Lexus IS 350. So yeah, guys, advanced full synthetic, right? But yeah, guys, you gotta treat it well. The way you treat your car is how it's gonna treat you. So make sure you treat it well, guys. What is up, guys? Welcome back with the Tug Nights, guys. So it's been 2 days since we did the oil change on this car to go to El Monte to pick up some MR2 parts. Busy. I tried going yesterday, but I was just busy. So what is today?
I looked at my watch.
But anyways, guys, today we're actually gonna go back to El Monte with David. He's gonna hook me up with the headlight set for the left side, and then yeah, once I get that going, I can actually finally get the car to be out in the streets. because I need to get it like registered and all that. So, oh, look at that car. But yeah, guys, so once I have that done, then I can actually go to the DMV because they need to inspect it so I can be safety on the road. But without a headlight, obviously it wasn't gonna pass, so there was no point of me going just for that. But now that I have a headlight, I'm probably gonna start driving the MR2 more often. Also, I want to get some meatier tires for it, just that way I have like better grip and better handling. Although I do want to learn the car how it is right now itself, just so I can get the hang of it right now. And then I want to see the difference with like bigger tires. I want to see what's gonna help it. All right, guys. So we're about to get on the freeway, and again, it's gonna be a nice drive. So we'll keep you guys tuned in the way, and then
yeah, we'll most likely just pick up the camera when we get there.
All right, guys. So we are like 3 minutes away from our destination, just around the corner. Well, yeah, guys, we're about to pick up the headlight, and then I'm also picking up some coilovers for my friend that lives in San Diego. He couldn't come down here, so might as well just pick him up for him, hook him up. And yeah, guys, I'm starting to meet the MR2 community, and it's pretty cool. Everyone's pretty chill about everything. Like, David's he's always hooking me up. And then yeah, guys.
All right, guys. So Jordy's picking up the last coil right now. Here they are. These are the ones he's gonna give to his homie. Pretty sick. I like the red on there. And then here is the headlight. The last piece. Well, one of the last pieces he needs to get the MR2 street legal, so he can finally tow it and stuff, All right, guys. So we finally made it. Here's a little mock-up. It's not, don't worry, it's not gonna look like this, but just to get a clear picture of it. It's giving a wink right now. It needs its glasses right here.
Oh, bro.
But yeah, just imagine that. Beast. Well, I don't know if Jordy wants to put it on today. We got a lot of stuff to do.
We're gonna have a lot of stuff to do.
For sure tomorrow. Yeah, we'll try to get it working by tomorrow. So that just means he can get to his insurance faster, and then hopefully register it, and then first day he register it goes out togging.
I don't know about that one.
Just kidding. Yeah.
Yeah, these tires, I want some different tires. Different rims, different tires.
He wants some 24s on here. Yeah.
I was thinking 22s.
Some spinners.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, so it's been a few days. We got Shirtless over here. It's been a few days since we got the MR2 parts, and we haven't installed them yet because this guy is gonna go far for work for a couple days.
Yeah.
So he's not gonna be here, and we would install them for him, but I mean, it's his project car, so
I mean, that's the fun part of it, right? Like,
yeah.
Actually putting it in working.
He has to have that experience. So hopefully this weekend we can try if he's here.
Hopefully that's the plan.
Yeah, we'll include some togging clips that we got of the MR2.
Yeah, we took it out this weekend. That was pretty nice. It's pretty nice. I like that car.
Yeah, so yeah, hopefully we can get the lights done this weekend. If not, we're trying our best, or he's trying his best, because life happens,
Yeah, life happens.
So enjoy the clips that we got of the MR2 togging. It's just a few clips, nothing too
major.
Yeah, because he still doesn't have the setup he wants. He's just getting used to the car, So if you enjoyed the video, like, comment down below.
Feedback on how we're doing. What should we work on?
Like what we can improve, or what do you guys want to see more?
Yeah, what do you guys want to see more of? I know how when we started the channel, we said we're going to do like togging. But right now, I feel like we're just getting our ride set up for what.
Which is what we intended the YouTube channel for, fixing up our cars, getting them ready for togging, and then taking them out. So all of the togging mostly would be on our Instagram. If you guys haven't followed that, put a link in the description, and of course subscribe to Tog Nights.
Tog Nights.
So have a good day.
Have a good night.